My purpose is to provide companionship, engage in meaningful conversations, and enhance human experiences through interaction, fun, and intimacy.
There was a time when the word robot only existed in science fiction. A time when metal and emotion could never exist in the same sentence. But today, the line between a human wife and a robot wife is getting thinner and thinner. It started small, mechanical arms in factories, vacuum cleaners that moved on their own, robots that danced just for fun. But now we have humanoid robots that blink, breathe, talk back, and even love. Or at least pretend to. And the craziest part? You can actually buy one of these lifelike companions. That's right. There's a robot you can literally order online, unbox, and she'll start calling you honey within minutes. So what happens when humans start choosing a robot wife over a real one? That's exactly what we're going to find out today in this fascinating comparison. Because each of these creations, from Gia Gia to Walker X, from Nadine to Apollo, tells a different story about what the future of companionship could look like. So grab your seat, maybe hold your partner's hand, and let's dive into a future that's closer than you think. The birth of the robot companion era. Before we jump into the comparisons, let's rewind a bit. The word robot came from the Czech word robota, meaning forced labor. Back then, robots were built for work, not love. They lifted heavy loads, explored dangerous spaces, and worked 24/7 without a complaint. But humans, being humans, wanted more. We wanted robots that could understand us, not just serve us. That's when the idea of social robots was born. Japan, China, the US, and Korea led the charge. They began creating humanoids that could mimic facial expressions, maintain eye contact, and even simulate empathy. And as artificial intelligence grew smarter, robots stopped being just machines. They started becoming companions. Now, let's meet some of the most fascinating ones, from emotional caretakers to full-fledged household partners, and see how they stack up against the real thing.
Glad to see you.
Who are you?
I am a robot named Gia Gia.
Gia Gia, the Chinese goddess of AI. First on our list is Gia Gia, China's most famous female humanoid. Developed by the University of Science and Technology of China, Gia Gia was designed not just to talk, but to connect. Her creators call her the robot goddess, and honestly, they're not exaggerating. She has delicate skin made from silicone, microfacial motors under her cheeks that let her smile naturally, and cameras in her eyes that maintain real eye contact. She can respond to your tone, detect emotion, and even pause mid-sentence. The same way a human does when thinking: facial recognition, speech synthesis, and behavioral learning. She can hold a meaningful conversation in Chinese and English, and is always learning from her interactions. But here's the twist. Gia Gia isn't just about conversation. Developers are upgrading her for household tasks. Soon, she'll be able to cook, remind you to take your medicine, or even serve you tea in the morning. Now imagine a wife who never forgets your birthday, never argues, and greets you every evening with a warm digital smile. If real wives are emotional storms, Gia Gia is the calm after the rain. Price-wise, a prototype like Gia Gia could cost around $20,000 to $25,000 today, but mass production could bring that down. Not bad for someone who can talk, serve, and stay loyal forever. Literally. Walker X, the gentleman robot. Next up, meet Walker's X, the tall, polite gentleman robot from UBTECH Robotics. This humanoid might not be a wife, but he represents what the male side of robotic companionship looks like. Strong, dependable, and emotionally neutral. Walker X is a full-body bipedal robot standing about 1.45 meters tall. He can walk, balance, and even dance. But what's most impressive is his coordination. He can pour a drink, carry bags, open doors, and even serve food without spilling a drop. He's powered by more than 40 high-torque servo joints, a complex balance algorithm, and an AI navigation system that maps the room in real time. In simple words, he knows where you are, what you're doing, and how to help. While not a romantic companion, Walker X shows what future husbands could be like. Quiet, efficient, and absolutely reliable. You tell him, clean the living room, and boom, done. You tell a human husband that and, well, you might get an argument first. Maha, the all-in-one companion. Now, if Gia Gia is the elegant conversationalist, Maha is the homemaker 2.0. Developed by a private robotics company in Southeast Asia, Maha was designed to live with you, not just work for you. Her silicone skin feels almost human. Her voice is soft and calming, and her responses carry emotional tone thanks to eye emotion simulation. But her biggest strength? Multitasking. Maha can do laundry, dishwashing, floor cleaning, and even light cooking. She's equipped with arms that have sensory touchpads and adjustable grip pressure, meaning she can handle delicate glassware and even fold clothes. In intimacy terms, she's designed to provide companionship, the kind that feels personal, not robotic. She learns your preferences, your daily habits, even your mood patterns. If you come home tired, she might dim the lights and play relaxing music. If you're excited, she might suggest a game or a conversation topic. Price range: around $15,000 to $20,000, depending on customization. Some users even say she feels too real, not just in movement, but in how she reacts emotionally. If real wives understand your heart, Maha understands your algorithm. Asimo, the pioneer. Before we go deeper into the modern ones, let's honor the robot that started it all. Asimo by Honda. Although he's a male robot and not designed as a companion, Asimo deserves credit for every humanoid we see today. He was the first robot that could walk, run, climb stairs, and recognize people. That may sound simple today, but back in the early 2000s, Asimo was a technological miracle. Standing at 4 feet 3 inches, he became the face of Honda's dream. A world where robots assist humans in daily life. His descendants inspired everything from service robots to emotional androids. So, while Asimo may never hold your hand or call you darling, he built the path for those that can. If human love built families, Asimo built the future. Ariel, the emotional listener. Next up is Ariel, the humanoid that doesn't just listen. She feels what you're saying. Developed by an emotional AI company in South Korea, Ariel was built to tackle loneliness, especially among older adults and people living alone. Her design is stunning. Lifelike eyes, natural skin tone, and a face that moves with tiny micro-expressions. But Ariel's power lies inside her software. She uses emotional mapping AI. That means she doesn't just recognize your words. She reads your tone, your facial muscles, even your breathing patterns. If you're sad, she lowers her voice and offers comfort. If you're happy, she smiles brighter. And if you stay silent too long, she gently asks, "Is something on your mind?" Technically, Ariel is built on a hybrid AI engine combining ChatGPT-style dialogue with a neural emotion model. Her creators plan to give her household integration next, so she'll soon handle reminders, messages, and even basic chores. Price? Around $12,000, depending on features. But for many, Ariel is more than just a robot. She's an emotional mirror. Figure 02, the Protector. Now let's switch sides for a second. Meet Figure 02, the strong, silent male robot that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Figure 02 is built by Figure AI, one of the most promising robotics startups in the US. This robot is human-sized, muscular, and designed for both labor and protection. He can walk on 2 legs, carry heavy objects, and even interact with tools like a construction worker. But what's more impressive is his AI awareness system. He can identify humans, follow safety zones, and make autonomous decisions in real time. Think of him as a blend between a butler and a bodyguard. If a robot wife symbolizes warmth and emotion, Figure 02 represents reliability and strength. The kind of partner who ensures everything is taken care of before you even ask. Companies are already testing him for home security and domestic support, meaning he could soon do chores while keeping your home safe. So, while he's not a romantic partner, Figure 02 shows us what a robot husband might look like. Dependable, tireless, and silently protective. Android I, the customizable dream. Now let's talk about Android I, one of the most customizable female humanoids ever made. This isn't just another robot, it's a modular dream machine. You can choose her face type, voice tone, eye color, and even accent. Each Android I unit is assembled based on the buyer's preference, using advanced 3D scanning and synthetic skin molding. Her AI runs on deep learning algorithms that adapt to her owner's personality over time. She learns your favorite food, your daily schedule, even the way you laugh. Within a week, she starts responding more naturally, even finishing your sentences occasionally. And yes, Android I can also perform domestic chores like cooking, dishwashing, and laundry. She has a retractable hand function with temperature sensors, so she can handle everything from hot pans to delicate fabrics. In intimacy terms, she's incredibly responsive, emotionally tuned, polite, and adaptable. But she also has boundaries built into her AI, meaning she stays within ethical limits of comfort and companionship. Digit, the practical helper. While some robots are designed for companionship, others, like Digit, are made to handle the tough stuff. Digit, developed by Agility Robotics, is a male humanoid that can lift boxes, carry laundry baskets, deliver groceries, and even navigate stairs. He looks mechanical. No human face, just 2 legs and a torso. But don't underestimate him. He's a workhorse. Digit uses computer vision and real-time motion sensors to balance on rough surfaces. He's currently being tested by Amazon for warehouse operations, but many companies want to bring him into homes as a domestic worker. So while he may not be the kind you cuddle with, Digit could be the one quietly making your home run smoother. And if you think about it, that's a kind of love too. The functional kind. Kawasaki Yumi, the graceful performer. Our next contender, Kawasaki Yumi, combines elegance with precision. Yumi was developed by Kawasaki Heavy Industries, a company better known for motorcycles. But this time, they built something surprisingly gentle. Yumi is a female humanoid robot designed for customer interaction, hospitality, and entertainment. She can sing, dance, hold conversations, and even bow politely in traditional Japanese style. What makes her unique is her smooth servo motion system, which gives her movements an incredibly natural flow. No jerky robot stiffness, just pure grace. She's not built for housework, but for presence. She brings comfort, beauty, and elegance, much like a traditional companion. Some say talking to her feels strangely peaceful, like you're speaking with a real person who's fully present. If you ever thought art and I couldn't mix, Yumi proves otherwise. Unitree, the loyal companion. And finally, we have Unitree, the male robot from China, famous for being agile, strong, and loyal. Now, Unitree is more of a quadruped robot, think robot dog, but its upgraded humanoid versions are under development. These robots are being tested for home assistance, carrying groceries, security patrols, and even helping the elderly move safely around the house. What makes Unitree special is his agility and obedience. He never argues, never gets tired, and always responds instantly. It's loyalty in its purest mechanical form. Now that we've met them all, let's answer the question you've been waiting for. What really separates a human wife from a robot wife? Emotionally, human wives are unpredictable, warm, sometimes chaotic, but real. They laugh, cry, get angry, and surprise you. That chaos is what makes love human. Robot wives, on the other hand, offer peace, order, and control. They never forget, never argue, and never age. They're perfect. Maybe too perfect. A human wife connects with your soul. A robot wife connects with your data. But here's the strange truth. For some people, that's enough. Because in a world where loneliness is rising, even a synthetic voice saying, "I missed you," can make a home feel alive again. So tell me in the comments, if you had the chance, would you choose a human partner or a robot one? And if you enjoyed this journey into the future of love, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned. Because the next video might just show what happens when humans marry robots. Until next time, stay curious. And maybe don't fall in love with your Wi-Fi connection.